Have you ever wondered why you start feeling weak if you don't eat for a few hours? It's not just hunger. Your body is literally struggling to produce energy. And it all comes down to a hidden process happening inside your body called glycolysis. And here's the scary part. If this process slows down, your body starts losing its usable energy. Every second your body needs energy. Breathing, thinking, even sitting quietly requires energy. And the fastest way your body makes this energy is by breaking down of glucose. But it doesn't happen randomly. It follows a precise pathway step by step, and that is called glycolysis. Glycolysis simply means breaking down of glucose. It happens in the cytoplasm of cell, but it does not require oxygen. That means your body can still produce energy even when the oxygen is low. But glycolysis is not just one step. It's a chain reaction and every step matters. Here's something surprising. Your body actually spends energy first before making any. It uses 2 ATP molecule to activate glucose. Think of it like an investment. Your body is actually preparing glucose, making it unstable so it can be broken down easily later. And that comes a key moment. That one molecule of glucose with 6 carbons is split into 2 smaller molecules. Now instead of one, you have 2 pathways running in parallel. This is where things start speeding up. Now your body starts earning back energy. Each of those molecules produces ATP and NADH. So in total, glycolysis produces 4 ATP, but the net gain is 2 ATP and 2 NADH. This is the first real energy output your body gets from glucose. But glycolysis is just the beginning. The final product, pyruvate, now moves into mitochondria. And this is where the next stages of energy production starts. This is why you feel weak whenever you skip meal. No glucose, less glycolysis, less ATP. And during intense exercise, when oxygen is low, your body heavily relies on glycolysis. And this can lead to lactic acid buildup and muscle fatigue. This is a condition called fermentation, happens during anaerobic conditions. So glycolysis is not just a pathway, it's your body's emergency energy system. Fast, efficient, and always running in the background. So the next time when you feel low on energy, remember your body's power starts with glycolysis. And this is just step 1. Because what happens inside the mitochondria is even more powerful. Follow for the next part where your body makes most of its ATPs.